What is up guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at a new free plugin called Instant by Terminal VST. This plugin is a free drum sequencer plugin that makes adding percussions to a track as easy as possible. Instead of spending several hours drawing MIDI notes, what this plugin does is that it gives you already made playable rhythm that you can finesse however you want it. What this plugin currently offers is just percussion, so you get a close hi-hat, you get open hi-hat, you get a clap, you get a snare, and that's just it. You don't get a kick. As you can see, as I go through the percussions, you see already made MIDI notes here that appear as I go through them. Now these MIDI notes fit in with what I already have here. So as you can see, I'm making a beat and these MIDI notes already fit into the beats that I'm making. So I have this plugin loaded up here, as you can see. So I'm going to play what it sounds like, but before then, let's talk about the interface and what the plugin offers. Like I said, you get a close hi-hat, open hi-hat, clap, snare, and that's just it. Depending on the percussion you choose, if you choose a clap, you get a couple more other claps here, as you can see. So you can change the clap that you're using to a different clap. So it's not just one clap, you get different claps, as you can see. And the same thing with the snare. You get different snares, as you can see, so you can choose the type of snare that you want depending on the type of sound that you're going for. You can also add MIDI notes by yourself and you can change the velocity here, as you can see. So you don't have to use the groove that it gives you. You can actually make your own, or you can make the groove that it gives you better, depending on what you want. And you can reset it if you made a mess. So if you added so many things and it does not sound good anymore, you can just click on reset pattern and you can randomize the velocity by dragging this up, and it will randomize the velocity, and you can scale the velocity up and down, all of them at once. And if you want to fill everything, just click on toggle fill and it will add MIDI notes all over here. You can change the pitch here, as you can see. You get the high pass, you get the low pass. A shape controls the transients, and this should be a reverb, but it's not really active. So I think that is a paid version of this plugin. I don't know. Another standard feature is that you can add your own samples and your own one shots if you don't like the ones that you currently have here. So I tried to do that, but I ran into an issue. The issue is that the 4 files are supposed to be WAV and 16 to 24 bits, and all these things that you're seeing here, as you can see, in under 5 seconds. So but if you want to know how to do that, all you have to do is click on open folder, and as you can see, you're going to find the clap, the close hat, and the open hat, and the snare. So all you have to do is you have to add for example, if you want claps, you can just copy claps. So I have these drum kits that I downloaded, so I initially copied the whole thing here, but it didn't work. So all you have to do is open the drum kit and you copy the clap, and then you go back and then you paste it here. So as you can see, I did that, and then you do the same for the close hat and the snare. So when you do this, when you open this folder, you're only going to see the clap, close hat, open hat, hi-hat, and snare. You're not going to see this. This is just something that I pasted there. I wanted to see if it will work, but it didn't. So you're not going to have anything like this. All you have to do is make sure that your one shot is up to this standard, as you can see, or else it will be skipped. But the thing is, you can do it. So this is what it sounds like. But before that, if you're looking to purchase plugins, there are a couple of deals in Plugin Boutique that are currently going on right now. For example, you can get the SSL native channel strip 2 for just $19 because it is 87% off. You can get the Oxford inflator for just $39, 75% off, and you can get the Excite audio bundle for just 50% off. There are a lot of deals here, as you can see. If you never want to pay full price for a plugin and you want to get it on a massive discount, make sure to subscribe to Musicians on a Budget. I let you know whenever there is a deal currently going on Plugin Boutique. If you want to check out any of these deals, there'll be a link in the description. If you purchase any of these plugins, we're going to be getting a small commission at no extra cost to you. So this is how we support ourselves on this channel. So if you want to support the channel, use our link when you're buying plugins, and that would be very much appreciated. Now first of all, I have a track that sounds like this. So if I add a hi-hat, this is what it's going to sound like. So some of the groups I'm going to use and some of them I'm not going to use, but it depends on your preference. And I like the fact that you can add your one shots if you don't like the ones that are here, or you want something different that works with what you already have going on. So I hope you got value from this video. Are you going to be downloading this plugin? Let me know in the comment section, and make sure to follow Musicians on a Budget for more free plugins, and I'll see you in the next one.